Hey y'all, welcome to Jettie Rocks Fishing, and I'm Mike D. Well, today we're going to do another catch and cook. We're going to do part of the Trash Fish or Treasure series. And today we're going to be cooking bluefish. A lot of people think this fish is trash, that it's no good to eat, but it's actually really good if you cook it in a certain couple different ways. I personally really like bluefish if they're fresh. I don't like to freeze them. They're no good freezing unless you're going to make fish dip out of them, in my opinion. Well, real quick, check out this footage of my nephew Trey catching 2 nice bluefish the other day when we were out at the jetties. And then I'll see you guys at the cleaning table, and I'll see you guys in the kitchen. Check this out, y'all. What is that? Bluefish.
Turn the camera off.
Nah, turn the camera off. That's a nice blue. That's a good blue, dude. I'll keep that one if you don't want him. No, that's a nice blue.
Where are you putting them, Mike?
Cooler back there. Another bluefish. Or is that a Spanish?
The old bluefish.
Nice bluefish. Yep, Jackson Blues. Oh, I just missed mine. Those are decent sized bluefish though. Yeah. Alright guys, I'm at the cleaning table. I got my bluefish here. These are some nice sized blues caught from the other day. We're just going to go ahead and clean them real quick and easy. Bluefish are the easiest fish to clean. They really are. Just make a decision behind the head here. Turn your knife flat, just go along that backbone. It is really easy. Just like that. I'll go ahead and discard that right there. And you just come through here like this, run that knife along that skin. Just like that. And what we're going to do for how we're going to cook these, first, let's take this rib cage out, just like that. Because I'm going to try to get all this bloodline out, just like this. So basically I'm going to come up with a strip of meat like that that's going to be pretty clean of any dark meat whatsoever. You come in sideways a little bit, scrape some of that off. Get right into where that bloodline usually is. Just like that. And this is what we're after right here. All this we're going to discard. We'll throw that away. I'll do this other one real quick. All these bones out. So man, just like an angle, you'll feel it with your knife where you need to be at. Just like that. To the other side. There you go. All this little bit of dark meat like this really ain't that much of a big deal. You can scrape it off if you don't like it. Come up with a strip of meat like that. All right, well, I'm gonna clean these other two. And I'll see you. Guys, I got my finished bluefish. I got them all cleaned. I got strips about like this. Get rid of all that real dark bloodline, which gives the bluefish a really bad taste. This is what I end up with. So I'm gonna take these now. I'll see you guys in the kitchen. Alright guys, well I got my bluefish fillets right here. Got them in this little bowl. And in this little measuring device here, I'm going to pour some teriyaki sauce. Any teriyaki sauce that you like will work. We'll pour about half in, about like that. And then to this, I'm going to add some honey. About that much. Don't have an exact measurement. You just basically do that to taste. You're going to stir it up real good. I'm going to pour this over our bluefish fillets. Cover them real good. All that honey in there. So move them around a little bit so you get the sauce in between everything. You're going to let this soak in here for about an hour, 2 hours. You can even go as far as overnight if you wanted to, but I'm going to be cooking in a couple hours, so just let them sit in here for about 2 hours and then we'll be ready to cook them. Alright guys, I got my bluefish fillets right here. We ended up not cooking them last night because we had a little family emergency, but everything's all good. So they've been sitting in overnight. I'm gonna go ahead and cook these. And this is what they look like. Put them all out here on this sheet like this. Man, this smells good. It smells really good. And don't forget, when you do this, as you saw, I put some non-stick on the tin foil. Make sure you do that or it will stick. Put all these out like this. Move them around so you get them all on here. I think I have one more. I think that's it right there. Alright, we're going to put this in the oven on broil. We'll have to watch it, but it should take about 10-15 minutes. Alright guys, well they're out of the oven, so I'm going to go ahead and take one here. Take a couple of them. And this is what they look like. So alright, let's go give it a shot. Give it a taste. Hey guys, well we got our fish done. I have my daughter Cheyenne here. She's going to do the taste test with me. This is what it looks like, guys. So alright, go ahead Cheyenne, take a bite. And tell them your honest opinion. She's a little shy being on the camera.
It's good.
What's it taste like?
Chicken.
It tastes like chicken. It's really good. It does have a little bit of a chickeny type taste. A little hint, you know, fishiness in there. Not too much, not too strong a fishiness, but you can tell you're tasting fish. It's really good, guys. I mean, here's a kid eating it, so it can't be half bad. I'm not going to sit here and tell you this is the best fish in the world. It's not, but it's good. It is a good fish. And cooked this way, it's pretty tasty. It has a really good flavor to it. Well, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I thank you very much for watching. And I want to thank each and every one of you all for subscribing to my channel. I appreciate you guys very, very much. You guys are awesome. I hope everybody had a very Merry Christmas. The New Year's coming up, and I wish everybody a Happy New Year. And until I see you guys again soon here on the water, tight lines, y'all.